Service welcome you to Fort Lauderdale local time. It's approximately 5:40. For continued comfort and safety while the aircraft is taxiing the gate, we ask that you remain seated with those seatbelts securely fastened. Captain will indicate report to the gate by turning off the fasten seatbelt sign. We also ask you please leave carry-on items in their stood positions and out of the center aisle until we've arrived at the gate. At that time, you have ample opportunity to check in and around your seats for all of your belongings. To be careful when opening those overhead bins, items do have a tendency to shift during flight. Smoking is not permitted here in the airport until you're well inside the main terminal building and then only in a designated smoking area. Customer service representatives will be meeting our flight this evening and will be happy to offer any assistance you may need. For those of you that are claiming checked luggage here in Fort Lauderdale today, we ask that you follow signs to the baggage claim area on the lower level. Frontier Airlines uses carousel number 4. Once again, that's carousel number 4 for all checked bags here in Fort Lauderdale. If you gate checked any mobility devices, strollers, car seats, anything of the sort, please do remain in the jetway area to claim all your items. And on behalf of Wellington, the Black-Footed Ferret, and your Fort Lauderdale and Philadelphia-based flight crews, we'd like to thank you for choosing Frontier. We know you have a choice in airline travel. We do appreciate your business. And we hope to see each and every one of you again on another Frontier flight. Have a wonderful evening here in Fort Lauderdale, wherever your final destination may be.